Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we are going to continue watching Cowboy Bebop. Last time we met Ayn, the dog, which joined our party member, and Faye Valentine. But however, she didn't join our party member, not yet. But we will see. So this is the fourth episode, so let's get to it. That fast? I thought we might see her maybe after a couple of episodes, but the next episode? Alright.
A ship! Hi, I just picked up your signal and well, I have a slight problem. I'm kind of out of fuel.
It's Spike, isn't it?
So if you could just take me to Ganymede.
I really appreciate
Nope.
Oh, damn it! Why is everyone in such a hurry all the time? Don't they know it's unhealthy?
Gateway Shuffle.
The house specialty is sea rat. Used to be a staple food, harvested in the Ganymede Sea.
Whoa, wait a minute. Go back. Yep, that's Arabic, alright. That is Arabic. They're all written in letters. They're not like combined.
A few moments later.
Okay, not gonna lie, I cannot read none of these. Like, I don't know how to say it. I mean, it is written in Arabic, which is the language I speak, but yeah, I cannot find anything. Like, it doesn't make sense. I think they're just like, oh, what are we gonna put in like Arabic letters? What are we gonna put? Just put anything. They won't be able to read it.
Anymore, and people stopped eating it, so they ran some fancy ad campaigns and claimed it was a delicacy.
And is it tasty?
It's totally disgusting. People eat it anyway for status. It's in now.
Well, in that case, I guess I'm out. Lobster miso stew, please.
I always wanted to eat a lobster, not gonna lie.
The most expensive thing on the menu.
Because you think when we bag this guy, we're gonna be rich?
Nice glasses.
So Gap was a spy, huh? But Mom, there's nothing to worry about now. We blew his ship to pieces.
It doesn't matter. One lost ampule doesn't mean much. We'll continue as we initially planned, but when things go wrong, someone must take responsibility.
I love wearing dolphin shirt.
Mama.
You, Harrison?
I didn't. Mother.
Open for mine door. Yeah, it's Morgan. It's a clean match.
Should we just grab him and forget about breakfast?
Oh,
Young man, are you aware that the Ganymede Sea Rat...
Uh-oh. What the
I know I've seen that woman before.
Use your glasses. I thought it was gonna be Space Warriors. What the?
We, the Space Warriors, are eco-soldiers who work night and day to preserve the environment and protect endangered species all over the universe. Thank you for your cooperation.
I remember. That woman has a 25 million bounty.
Huh?
35 million.
Mom, hurry.
Stop
Isn't that
right there.
more than Faye Valentine?
Take it easy. You don't want to see your dear mother hurt now.
You better let her go.
Thanks to you, we lost our reward. Fortunately, you're worth a lot more. 25 million will buy a lot.
25 million. Betty.
If you hurt her, we're gonna
Hold
take
your fire. These men are professional bounty hunters. There's nothing we can do for now. Oh, Harrison, you'll get your punishment later when I return.
It's Harrison's lucky day.
Hey, you. Are you alive?
Sea rat is no good to eat. We like pork. Okay.
Environmental terrorists. They're called the Space
Ban
Warriors.
burn
Used to
space
be a
warrior.
group of dedicated people working to preserve the environment and protect endangered species. They did great work all around the asteroids. But a few years ago, a new leader took over the group and everything changed. Most of the members dropped out. Those who are left are more violent than the local crime syndicates. They have a special thing for the Ganymede sea rats. And guess who's in charge of these psycho-terrorists? Twinkle Maria Murdoch.
We are warriors of peace, fighting a noble battle for the law of nature.
Yeah, yeah.
Why did it say it that way? Nature!
Pick up that reward.
The Ganymede police, but the government just blocked it.
What?
I'm trying to track it. Looks like the government canceled their offer as of yesterday.
Why'd they do that?
When you're told not to open something, well,
Of course. I wonder if it's another dog.
you would open this thing. It just opened up by itself.
Do we experiment on these monkeys?
The bounty's been canceled. We also have a bill that will protect the sea rats from harvesting. The sea rats on Ganymede will be safe.
Where is Mom?
Well, whoever's got her hasn't contacted us yet, but we're trying to track them down. If we catch them, I promise you we'll,
If Mom isn't back here soon, and I mean soon, we'll set the plan in motion immediately.
Wait, we're trying to do everything you asked for. We're carrying out your wish.
Damn. I wonder what their dad looks like.
I'm starving.
Or multiple dad. Maybe she's like Big Mom.
Mama! I told you were wasting your time. You must feel very foolish. Might as well let me go. You've lost.
Not quite. There's something behind all this.
Hi, I just picked up your signal and well, I have a slight problem. I'm kind of out of fuel at the moment.
It's her, Faye Valentine.
If you could just take me to Ganymede, I'd be very appreciative. Please? Or if you
They know?
could spare fuel rod,
They know.
of course.
They know.
Huh?
Ouch.
They also say there's no honor among thieves. Got anything, Jet?
Nah. I have an old friend on Ganymede.
I played that game. Amazing.
Oh man. There's
Still haven't played the fourth one though.
Huh? What's this?
No, we still don't know where the virus is.
What? What's this whole thing about, Bob?
It's no big thing, Jet. They decided to cancel the bounty offer. You better let her go or they'll book you for kidnapping.
No, Bob.
You know, when we worked
She just... Whoa, okay, I cannot show that.
we picked up seemed to disappear.
Wait a minute. What are you saying, Jet?
If you want to work until retirement age,
Yeah, he's reading those kind of magazines. I cannot show that, sorry.
All right. I get your message, Jet. So what do you want to know?
they call it negotiations, but they're threatening to unleash a new virus. In effect, all 8 million people on Ganymede are their hostages.
How'd they pull it off?
They shanghaied a bioengineer, retrovirus specialist.
Forced them to design a virus to their specs, called monkey business. Since humans and monkeys have only a 2% difference in their DNA structure, this virus is tweaked to act just on the 2%, so it won't have an effect on any other animals or plants. It'll leave the rest of the ecosystem intact.
Huh?
That's right. It's uniquely selective. You see, it only seeks out human beings.
Ah. Really?
You don't give up, do you?
We're holding the trump card right here.
Orders from the top. There's nothing that we can do.
No!
We're letting her go.
You dumb... Imagine if it broke. That would be the end of the series right here. floating? Is she floating?
I believe I can fly.
Long time no see, eh, Minister? Now, about all those promises you made.
Well, yes, we've passed a bill to limit the harvesting of the sea rats so their population will be maintained securely.
But I didn't say limit, I said prohibit.
Well, then I'll bring it back up in the parliament.
All this for sea rats? Really? You're killing people because of sea rats.
I think you need a demonstration of what's in store for you.
Wait, we can discuss this. Mama, please not this. Mama, please no.
Yo, she is Big Mom! Oh, now what are you gonna do?
Oh, damn. All that work and no reward.
Jack, can you hear me? Tune into frequency 72 now.
Huh?
They're doing a live broadcast from their own satellite.
This is no longer about sea rats on Ganymede. Humans with their consumer culture have escaped from the last system that we call nature.
Ah, my ears!
Cannot be amended. Those who are unaware of this are what you might call glitches in the natural system, or to put it simply, bugs.
They weren't there. That ship was a decoy.
Where are they broadcasting from?
They're not very far. There, I got it. They're in hyperspace.
Our retrovirus monkey business takes these retro-humans and returns them to their proper place in nature. Now, do you understand, huh? Au revoir.
Damn, that's a strong fan right there.
If those missiles hit Ganymede, there'll be no one left to pay your bounty except monkeys.
How? How did she... Poor Ein. Hyperspace.
What about the defense system? 4 minutes, 30 seconds to impact. The system won't be ready. Hurry, this is an emergency. Get the president on the line.
They're right up ahead. Oh, shit! It split! Jet, I got two! Lock on the other one!
What? There are no weapons online.
Not gonna lie, this hyperspace remind me of the fight between Jehuti and Anubis.
I can bail you out for 80%.
You're insane! Alright, 40%, that's my last offer!
Okay, I give the 60.
Deal. Just do it.
Come on. What is this?
It's multiple warheads, and this is not the military!
Uh-oh.
Jack, listen.
The heck is wrong with her? She's crazy.
What? They're going to enclose the whole thing in hyperspace, missiles and all.
This is no joke.
Wait.
I hear you!
What does it? She has that that reflect the rockets. Can't she do that just like before? So they would get out and then close it. Okay. Just in time.
What's that?
So, oh wait.
Didn't you pay attention in your high school physics class? Matter that gets enclosed in hyperspace can be viewed normally by the naked eye.
Oh, okay.
Never interact with the matter on this plane of reality.
Mom! The gate's closed! What are we gonna do, Mama? Stop! Stop!
It's monkey business time.
Monkey!
No reward. For tough guys, go take a shower now.
Next time, we'll make money. Jed, is she saying what I think she's saying? Because if she is,
I don't know. And
She joined the party. This time official.
that's not okay, right?
don't know.
Fine.
I mean, it's just two, so.
Wait, Spike! Bad moves, Michael.
Wait, she carried a gun with her in the shower? So yeah, I guess that's it. Faye Valentine officially joined the party this time. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this reaction, leave a like. If you want to comment down in the comment section. And subscribe to me if you think I deserve it. And I'm going to see you all next time. Later.